Google DeepMind has just dropped their latest AI breakthrough, Gemma 3, and it's making massive waves. Imagine an AI that outperforms bigger models while being lightweight enough to run on a single device, even something as small as a Jetson Nano. Yeah, no supercomputer required. First off, it's built on the same cutting-edge research behind the Gemini series, but supercharged for efficiency. Whether you're on a GPU, TPU, AMD GPU, or even just a CPU, Gemma 3 runs like a breeze and still delivers powerhouse performance. But here's where it gets wild: this isn't just a text model. Gemma 3 is fully multimodal, meaning it understands and generates not just text, but also images and short videos. Feed it a picture, and it will parse and respond intelligently, thanks to a vision encoder called SIGLIP, which processes images into 256 visual tokens. And if you're wondering, yes, it can read text inside images, identify objects, and answer questions about what it sees, all on the fly. To handle tricky images, especially non-square formats or text-heavy pics, they introduced a clever pan and scan technique. It chops images into detailed slices, keeping everything sharp, no weird stretching or squashing. 1B, 1 billion parameters. For B. 12B. And the giant 27B, the superstar of benchmarks. Despite being smaller than massive 70B or 400B models, Gemma 3's 27B version holds its own. It scored 1338 on LM System Chatbot Arena's ELO, beating older models like DeepSeek V3 and Llama 3-8B. And get this, it's only a fraction of the size of those giants. Gemma 3's secret weapon is a revolutionary architecture that supports ultra-long context windows, up to 128,000 tokens. But instead of draining memory like crazy, it uses a mix of local and global attention layers, about 5 local to every 1 global. This means it only focuses on small slices, 1,024 tokens at a time, instead of loading all 128K tokens, reducing memory usage to just 15% of what you'd expect. That's how Gemma 3 stays efficient and fast. They're officially releasing quantized versions, meaning models are compressed using techniques like INT4 or special FP8 formats, slashing memory requirements without losing accuracy. Perfect for anyone without top-tier GPUs, even CPUs can handle it. Gemma 3 still uses its sentence piece tokenizer from Gemma 2.0, covering 140+ languages with a massive 262K token vocabulary. Plus, it supports function calling and structured outputs, so no more hacky prompts to get it to generate JSON or code. Filtered training data. Reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF. Testing for memorization and personal data leaks, results show minimal risks. Still, developers need to be responsible when deploying these powerful models. Everywhere. NVIDIA GPUs, from Jetson Nano to Blackwell. Google Cloud TPUs. AMD GPUs, via ROCm. Even CPU-only setups using Gemma.cpp. You can spin it up on Google Cloud, Vertex AI, or download it from Kaggle, Hugging Face, and Llama to play locally. This is a special 4B parameter model built on Gemma 3's architecture, designed to detect unsafe images, like violent, explicit, or dangerous content. It's a plug-and-play safety filter and can be customized for regional or company-specific guidelines. For researchers, Google DeepMind is offering $10,000 in Google Cloud credits to academics who want to experiment with Gemma 3, but act fast, applications are open for a limited time. And let's not forget the Gemmaverse, a growing ecosystem of Gemma-based models. Already, AI Singapore's CLLM V3 and Nexa R's OmniAudio are standout examples of how open Gemma models are pushing boundaries in translation, audio, and more. Math, code, SQL, multilingual tasks, it's competitive with or better than older Gemini 1.5 models. Vision tasks like DocVQA, TextVQA, thanks to Pan and Scan, Gemma 3 excels at reading text in images and handling weird formats. They've also improved instruction tuning with multi-step distillation and reinforcement learning, boosting performance in reasoning, math, coding, and conversations. And if you're a dev? You can fine-tune it with their open-source recipes, handle 128K context, generate structured data, and much more, all in your preferred framework, PyTorch, JX, TensorFlow, or even VMs. From multimodal reasoning to super long context and tiny memory demands, it sure looks like a massive leap forward. If you're excited to explore this tech or already trying it, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe for more deep dives into the AI world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Gemma 3 is Google's latest AI model designed to deliver top-tier multimodal reasoning while being light enough to run on single-device setups. Supporting images, video, and text, it handles up to 128K tokens of context using a smart mix of local and global attention. Gemma 3 shines in benchmarks, competes with much larger models, and comes in quantized forms for broader hardware support. Safety, customization, and research support are baked in, making it a versatile tool for developers and researchers alike.